Good morning, dear students. This is Professor Mukta Chandani from Sage Group SIRT. Today, I am going to start my lecture regarding the goal and role and goal of electrical and electronics engineering prospect. So, if you will go through the electrical branch or if you will go through the electronics branch, these both are work together. And what are the main role and goal of these both branch? Just I am going to explain that electrical and electronics engineers work at the forefront of the practical technology. There are different type of branches, but electrical and electronics branches of engineers work at the forefront, in the front port of the practical technology. How? Just I am going to explain that improving the devices and systems we use in everyday life. These are mobile phones, which is the first necessity of the modern age, day-to-day life, refrigerator, cold storage, broadcasting, television, telephone, and telegraph. All these are the first necessity, first needed for the electrical energy. Without electrical energy, they can't be run. So, just first of all explain that electrical and electronics utility. What are the different type of utility regarding the electrical and electronics branches? If you like to go through the electronics and electrical branch, which could help millions of people on day-to-day basis, like the system used in mobile phones, computers, lifts, electromotor, railway transport, and air conditioner. All these things, day-to-day life, need the electrical energy. Without it, which can't be run. Now, the control and manage waste in big industries. There are different type of industries, plants, mills, which is the controlling of their waste with the use of electrical energy. It is only through the electrical energy. These other plants are the many industries, facilities. They are built their own power generation plants. Power generation plants also need the electrical energy, and which without electrical energy they can't be run in a very smooth and day-to-day life. And these others are the different energies that before the after the discovery of electricity in the 18th century, it has now become impossible to imagine the world without electricity. We can't imagine without the electricity because um, before the 18th century there was no electricity, but nowadays this is the first necessity for the electricity has become an essential part in every sphere of human life. This is the tower. In the residential uses, total power consumption energy come from these towers, and without it, the day-to-day life of our residential areas can't be imagined and they can't be run smoothly. Then these are the portable small electrical devices, like it is used for the computing, water heating, television, refrigeration, cooking, and lighting. All these also need the electrical energy. These other devices, these other plants and big industries are that industrial uses. Industries also use huge amounts of electricity to the power a diverse range of manufacturing processes. Manufacturing processes also need the electrical energy, and these are the different wired communication with the help of electrical energy. Run the cable, television, telephone network, coaxial cable, fiber optic, and twisted pair cable. These are the wired communication. These others are the wireless communication, means wireless energy. This is the satellite, inferred communication, microwave communication, Wi-Fi, broadcast radio, and mobile communication system. These also need the energy. These are the wireless energy, but they need the electrical energy for the smooth running of these devices. Typical duties for an electronics engineers include the electrical engineers have good graduate prospect. If you will be the graduate, BTech, we will do the BTech in electrical or electronics engineering, then what are the different type of duties you will have to perform in the different plants and in different industries. Electrical engineers, they are the get the more facilities and opportunities. In electrical engineers enjoy the high salaries, high starting salaries, global opportunities, and electrical engineers are always in demand. Electrical power system, communication, and network. Due to electrical engineering skills, experts can lead the design, testing, and manufacturing of the equipment and keep the world running. Without the electrical energy, these processes, means design, testing, and manufacturing processes, can't be imagined and they cannot be run through very smoothly. They need the electrical energy. Therefore, electrical engineers contributed in many fields. So you know that different type of fields, without this electrical energy, we can't be run. Means make our life better. They make our life better with the use of different computers, mobile, everything, day to day accessories. The communication, the contributions of the electrical engineers are generate electricity. Main contribution of the electrical engineers are generate electricity from the power plant. Contribution in medical fields and biology also. In medical fields also and in the biology field also, they need the electrical energy because in the ICU, in the operation theater, in different type of medical field also, they need the electrical energy. And electronic and electrical engineers job description. What are the different job descriptions? These are the key skills and work efficiency and the trainings and duties of these electrical and electronic engineers are electrical and electronics engineers work in a rapidly advancing profession. Like electronics engineers create, design, and develop every devices such as mobile phones. Means if the electronic engineer design the mobile phone, but for the smooth running of these mobile phones, the electrical energy is needed. And portable music devices like this, computers, telecommunication, and robotics, all they designed by the electronics engineers, but the electrical engineers put them the electrical energy. So these both are run smoothly with all together with the cooperation of each other. Computing hardware and power electrical equipments are also audio, visual, and light electronics equipments, microelectronics, and telecommunication to design, produce, install, and maintain telecommunication system with the application of both the engineers, means electronic and electrical engineers, designing, managing system and machinery in many different areas. Control and manage waste in manufacturing industries. These are the work duties and profile of these EX and EC branch engineers. And profile and duties of EC and EX engineers are planning projects, preparing and managing budgets, writing technical reports, and keeping up to date with the developments in technological regulations, evaluating operational system and design modifications and changes in system requirements, using computer-assisted engineers and design software to perform engineering tasks. All these are the duties and profile of the EX and EC engineers. And what are the responsibility of EX and EC engineers? Telecommunicators provides mobile phones, radio, television, and satellite companies, and manufacturing and provides PCs, tablets, and ATM machines. These are also run with the electrical energy, but before that, the electronics engineers design all these things. So these are work together with EC and EX branch. And the conclusion, in the medical devices and medical instruments are also designed by the EC engineers, electronics engineers, and run by the electrical engineers. And industry machinery developers also designed by the EC students and run by the EX engineers. So these are both cooperative and cooperation with each other. So as a career, as electrical and electronic engineers can lead many directions, and long-term opportunities are excellent for those with the strong initiative. Those who are strong initiative, interpersonal teamwork, project management skills, and opportunities exist into managerial and consulting roles. All these things are run smoothly, and all the duties and responsibilities of the electrical and electronics engineers. So these are all about the electrical and electronic branch. So if you will go through the EX branch or in the EC branch, both are very important for the future prospect, future career, and will get the more opportunities in this fields. So you should have to go through this branch. Thank you very much. This is presented by Professor Mukta Chandani, and thank you for your time and cooperation. And today the thought for the day is: coming together is a beginning, keeping together is a progress, working together is a success, and it is the big instrument for career. So if you have any queries regarding all these admissions in EX and EC branch, then my number is flashing on the screen. Please contact. Thank you very much for your time, for your watching this video.